We're going to turn this to this, then that to this one to that one, and that one to this one. We're going to make brand names and logos in one shot, and then we're going to put all that stuff on mockups in less than 10 minutes. Meet Bobbi. She has zero experience and has never started a t-shirt business before. I'm about to show her and you how to start a t-shirt business with AI, and the video starts right now. All right, now the first thing you want to do is find a niche, or niche, as some people like to point out in goofy ass comments. This means you have to find a specific group of people that are passionate and really into a given subject.
How specific is too specific? I don't want to pick a niche so narrow that nobody buys.
Good question. You want to find a group that's very passionate about a subject, a specific group, but enough people in that group where you can find active buyers. And that fine line, that's your niche. Now, Bobbi, do you know what niche you want to go in? No worries. Let's use AI and find you a niche right now. Guys, did you know that ChatGPT is built right in Kittl? Let me show you. You can go right here to click new project, just click create and go right over here to chat. You can get a whole bunch of ideas, or you can go right down here, add your prompt, list 10 trending t-shirt niches for 2025 for each core audience, 2 example slogans, and 3 SEO keywords shoppers would use. Let's make this a little bit smaller. Send. 1, positivity and kindness. 2, eco core and sustainability. 3, neurodivergence and mental health. 4, digital irony.
Stop. I see what I want to do already.
Okay, that was fast.
I like positivity and kindness. It's flexible and on brand for me.
All right, now that we know our niche, we want to go out and just look for a few designs, okay? Because once we go over into Kittl, we want to give the AI something to work off, you know what I'm saying? So when we get there, we can hit the ground running. So I went to Google and did an image search, positivity and kindness tees. So I'm going to scroll down and see which ones we like.
I really like these. Work hard, be nice. Choose kindness. It's cool to be kind. And stay positive.
Now, believe it or not, Bobbi,
So
now
let's
work
open
is done.
Kittl
and
get
that
busy.
wasn't hard. We're going to go into Kittl right now, and we're going to make some magic happen. We're going to take this t-shirt line to a whole nother level.
That's what I'm talking about.
Let's do it.
So now this is where Kittl gets really, really interesting. The Kittl AI is really taking things to a whole new level. All right. What you want to do is, first thing, we're going to play with this one. Okay. And we're going to click right here where it says standard. That selects this entire thing. And over here we have add smartboard. Okay. This is talk about AI. I'm going to click right there. Now it covers the other one, but that's no big deal. You can just go right here and just move that up. Okay. And you can see that line that goes directly to there, almost like a mind map. All right. Now over here, this is your prompt box, and you have this little window that is showing this. So pretty much what's going on is whatever you put in this prompt box, okay, is the it's going to use this as its reference, and the artwork is going to come out on this smart board. So right here, this is where we add our prompt. Now, the great thing about this is that not only is it creating art, but with this, it can think for you. All right. And what I mean is that with most other like art creation, art generation AI, you just put in a prompt that and says, you know, I want a flower in a field, right? And then that's what it does. With this one, you could have it come up with different ideas. Let me show you. So you have these models right here, right? Your AI engines. Okay, you have ChatGPT HD, you have ChatGPT Image 1, Nano Banana, and Seed Stream. ChatGPT costs more credits. Nano Banana is only 10 credits, and it works really good. So we're going to use Nano Banana for right now. And what we're going to type pretty much is, based on this artwork, can you come up with a new saying based on kindness and or positivity and or positive vibes only? Artwork only, artwork. Generate. Radiate joy and create good.
I love that.
So now we're going to add a smart board.
And click generate again.
Wow.
Fuel your soul, amplify kindness. Let's go to the next one. We're going to click on this stay positive one, and we're going to click add smart board. Now I'm not going to add this one. I'm going to have Bobbi add it. Go ahead and add a prompt, Bobbi.
Okay, here goes. Please make thumbs up graphic based on being kind. Come up with an original saying. Generate. What's it say? Kindness thumbs up. Pass it on. Love it. Let's click add artboard.
And let's run it back. What's this? Oh, it's a new style. Choose to be kind. Pass it on. This is so easy. Okay, let's select It's Cool to Be Kind, add an artboard, and let's type. Do a version of this graphic with an original saying for positive vibes. Generate. Radiate goodness and shine bright. It's like it's reading my mind.
Guys, if you ever wanted to talk to me like Bobbi is, if you are having an issue with anything in the t-shirt industry, you can contact me at clarity.fm or hop on a call and figure whatever your issue is out. That's clarity.fm/Gary. And sign up for the T-Shirt Help Desk newsletter and get the T-Shirt Business Quick Start Guide. We go over choosing a niche, designing shirts, marketing and promotion, buying blanks, pricing, creating an online store, and so much more. And it's free. Link in the description.
Next,
I just realized I don't
let's
have a
select
brand
the
name.
Choose Kindness now. Now add a smart board. Ooh, I have an idea for a tee. In this style, make a graphic that says, be kind or be quiet. Generate. And there it is.
No worries. We're going to add one right now. Can you come up with 5 brand names and logos for a brand based on positivity and kindness? Now watch this. Generate. And here we go. Spread joy, be positive, choose kind, hello happy, and kindness count.
I like Hello Happy.
Then hello happy it is. Let's open a new smart board and let's just isolate this one by itself. And then we're going to turn it into a backnet graphic. Boom and boom.
What if I want to put these designs on people or make ads for social media?
No problem. Let's take this first style that we did, create a new art board, and now we're going to add this prompt. Put this graphic on a Gen Z girl mock-up. She's at a music festival with an iced coffee smiling. It's a sunny day, cinematic look. Generate. And how you like them apples? Starbucks ice cold.
Ooh, let me try something for this one. Put this graphic on a Gen Z girl mock-up. She's at a music festival holding a doodle puppy in one arm. It's a sunny day, cinematic look. Generate. OMG, that is so cute. Gary, you're the best. Thanks so much.
And guys, that is your basis. All right. You could take that. You can go to Shopify. You can go to Etsy. You could go to Redbubble, wherever. All right. Guys, I know that there's a lot of people who have an issue with AI. And I get it. But to be honest with you, it's here to stay. And, you know, there's a saying that I like to say, don't worry if AI is going to take your job. Use AI to quit your job. And by the way, if you haven't noticed, Bobbi is AI generated.
This is crazy. I'm not real. I'm just an AI prompt.
Yep, I made her up. And you're going to see a lot more of that on this channel. All right. It's the way of the new world, guys. I adapt. All right. You can be Blockbuster or you can be Netflix. The choice is yours. Guys, Kittl flows are amazing. There's another video right here that you can check out on Kittl. Better put some butter on my shoes and slide on out the door. Peace.
T-shirt help, Brusk.